Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Guys, today's video I'll be making this lovely drawstring backpack. This is actually the material is called taffeta. So guys, watch this tutorial to the end for better understanding, and please subscribe to my channel and click on the notification button. Thank you, I love you all, and God bless you. Guys, this material here is called taffeta. It is not a fabric, and at the same time it is not a leather. So it's called taffeta, right? And this is a stock taffeta material. So for the width of the bag, I'll be making use of 25.5 inches, and for the length of the bag I'll be making use of 18 inches. So guys, what I'm going to do right now is to fold my material into two, and I'm just going to use my scissors to cut it into two. Guys, I'm folding the tip, and after that I'm just going to take a measurement of 2 inches from that tip, then I fold and stitch. I'm through stitching, so the next thing is for me to cut a little pieces of two materials, just glue them at the side, then stitch. The measurement here is the length is 3 inches while the width is 2 inches. So I'm just going to fold it together and stitch. So I'm through stitching everything. The next thing is just for me to put the two bodies together and stitch round. Now I want to take the measurement of where my drawstring holder would be. So the measurement is 1.5 inches. 1.5 inches by length. So I'm just going to use my flatbed machine to stitch. Now I'm done stitching everything, so I'm just going to turn it over and see what I've done. Guys, you can see how beautiful it's already looking. So I'm done stitching everything. This bag actually doesn't have a lining. The leather itself, or the material itself, is very very thick. Like I said, it's not a leather, so the material itself is very very thick, so doesn't really need lining. So guys, the next thing is just to take my the rope I'll be fixing, just fix it to the normal place it's going to be. So guys, please, I need you to watch this carefully. I mean it's a bit how do I put it? I just want you to watch this place carefully so that you can actually get it right. So guys, please subscribe to my channel and click on the notification button. And also guys, watch out for my next video. It's gonna be awesome and it's going to be nice. And also guys, don't forget to subscribe. I mean, that is very very important. And make sure you watch this to the end. Guys, this tutorial has come to an end. I hope you guys enjoyed and was able to learn one or two things from it. Please guys, watch out for my next video. It's gonna be awesome. I love you all and God bless you.